let's start the tutorial. Now, I have done my base routine already. I have tweaked it a little bit for more 2016, but I've genuinely got probably about 4 or 5 base routines from when I started in 2010 on this channel. So, no, when did I start on this channel? I think I started in 2012 actually. When did I start on Jecca Cosmetics? Now, I found this, which I don't know actually what it is. It's called Melted and it's by Too Faced Cosmetics. It's the liquefied longwear lipstick. I don't know if this is actually a liquid lipstick or not, but I'm going to try it. I found it in a kit I got a while ago. I was looking at a picture my friend took at her birthday party and I thought my lips looked funny. I don't know if my face has got longer or because I've got skinnier, I look skinnier. But I didn't like how low down on my face my lips look, so I've decided to start overdrawing my lips a lot more. Okay, this is absolutely not a liquid lipstick. This is just a liquefied lipstick. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply some of this pinky purple colour, this kind of fuchsia, which is an eyeshadow by Gorgeous Cosmetics. I definitely think like overdrawing them makes my face look more feminine. Okay, so for the eyeball, I want to use something that's 3D, and I was looking around again at my house trying to find things, and I found a contact lens container. So I literally cut this off, and I'm going to place that there and build the kind of eye around it, if that makes sense. So I'm just going to literally play with a mixture of liquid lash liner by MAC in this blue, because I thought I had blue eyes, so. Eyeball. Cool. Okay, so I got this face and body wax from just a random store, and it's very kind of like hard to move, but I think it will work really well with kind of like the base. So I'm just gonna grab some, use my little tweezers. Does that look a little bit more realistic? A little bit more of that ring? I think so. Okay, cool. So you can pretty much see what I've done so far. Yeah, kind of worked really well. Now I'm gonna add some lashes to this. Now I have some bottom lashes here, thank God. So I'm gonna stick those on just to the bottom. Now for the top, I'm going to be using these. I'm just going to combine them. I want the band to be as wispy as possible, really, because I want it to just look like it's a real eye. So as you guys can see, I put the latex around the outside, and then just line the lashes on top. It's not that hard, to be perfectly honest. There we go. Oh, it's pretty. Okay, now we get to the really hard part, because latex is really hard for me. I'm going to keep my glasses on, I think. Right, I'm going to dip my tweezers I'm using as a spatula in the latex. Now, I probably think you're meant to like dehydrate your skin before you use glue, but I don't care. I'm not going to go crazy. I'm going to start to just move the... Right, so that's the kind of matches the makeup with the eye look. Now I'm going to just use some mascara and do my own lashes. Okay, just added a little bit of liner to the fake eye, and I think we're pretty much good to go. Okay, so I just threw on this Alexander McQueen skirt as a kind of like robe-ish kind of throw on, which, where did I get this? So given this, it's from a runway, can't remember, had it for years. Anyway, I hope you guys like this kind of mystical third eye kind of look. I very much enjoyed doing this. Hopefully it gave you some ideas, if not anything. Alright guys, hope you like this. Please subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in my next video.